That was great. Thank you.
And that's when I saw Lara for the first time. Oh, that sneeze. That mucozoidal symphony of Lara's set the course for the rest of my life. Okay, so the night...
That's okay. It happens sometimes. Let's try something different. Let's...
I want Desdemona again. I just want to have what I had with her.
This image you have of this girl is just a wish fulfillment fantasy. Sorry.
Really? Hey, could you do me a favor? Just, it would really help. Could you sneeze for me?
You want me to sneeze?
Yeah, sneeze for me, Just once.
You're kidding.
No.
No. Fucking turn me off with that shit. What do you mean sneeze? Who fucking does that? That's how you're gonna get off?
Definitely better than that long romantic walk we took this morning in the torrential downpour.
Bless you. I guess the antihistamine hasn't kicked in yet.
CAPTIVE. Captive. That's 34789. Double letter score. 1718.
Ooh, that's great, honey.
Yeah. Just make sure you add it right, sweetheart.
What do you mean by that, Dumpling?
Nothing, Sugar Plum. It's just sometimes your addition is a little off.
Look, love of my life, I'm an accountant. If there's one thing I can do, it's add a column of figures.
I hope a damn sight better than you could read a weather report.
Bless you.
Something's very wrong here. To us.
You really think there's something wrong?
Oh, you tell me, John. What does it say about our marriage if after 2 days of nonstop togetherness, the only place I want to put my hands is around your throat?
Colonel Dickey's office, Olivia Ellis speaking.
Hi, Mama. Guess who this is?
Angie. Achoo! Oh. You know I'm very busy. What do you want? Whip me.
Mm-hmm. Where is the bald wonder?
He is down at the infirmary for the 4th time this week. You remember what a hypochondriac he is? Achoo! Every time he sees somebody with a new condition, he thinks he's got it. Achoo! Oh.
Olivia, will you keep it quiet?
Hey, Mama, what did you get for yourself?
Pneumonia. Achoo!
Zoom time.
Thank you. What's...
It's just me, honey. Kindly old Dr. Ellis.
I'm not in the mood to play Dr. Ray.
I know that. That's why I fixed you up my special wonder drug.
Hot buttered rum.
Yeah. Take 2 of those and nudge me in the morning.
Maybe this is just what I needed.
Well, when you're sick, there's nothing like a hot toddy and a warm body.
Oh.
Bless you, baby.
Ray, I had forgotten how much fun it was to be sick around you.
Remember that time you had the flu?
Oh, I was so sick. Oh, I was in bed for 10 days.
And I fixed you one of these every day and cuddled you to keep you warm?
Mm-hmm.
Bless
oh,
you.
oh. Oh, and you used to give me those wonderful back rubs. Oh. Oh, Lord. Achoo!
Bless you, baby.
Ellen.
Hi, Theo.
Hi, how you doing?
Great.
Are those roses for me?
Sorry, they're for Denny. He loves roses.
Hey, what's in the bag?
I just thought I'd drop some things off for a surprise party. Tomorrow is just going to be too hefty.
Hey, no problem. You got a cold?
Oh, no, it's just my sinuses. How's your dinner coming?
Oh, it's great. Cheryl should be here in about a half an hour.
In the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Hey, Ellen, this thing is dripping wet.
No, well, I had to wash it. My stomach got upset and I just started to...
No, I get the picture.
Hey, Lauren, it's Arthur.
Oh, hi, Artie. Hey, thanks for the movie last night.
Yeah, that's actually what I wanted to talk to you about.
Hey. God, a cold coming on. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. I've been sneezing all day myself.
So, Train Lane. It caught on fire.
Bless you.
Bad cold?
Oh, it's pretty bad, yeah.
You know, I bet a little warmth would help your condition. Perhaps some moist heat.
I took some Alka-Seltzer Plus.
You're into over-the-counter. I'm okay with that.
No sleepovers on a first date.
Right.
Unless they involve footsie pajamas.
Perfect. Do you like cowboys or dinosaurs? See, I got both.
Well, then maybe I should have some coffee.
All right. I've got a French press. Good.
Oh, God.
Good. Yep. What's going on?
I can't stay.
Yeah, you can. No, hey, Billy. Sure you can.
You have cats?
No, I don't. I hate cats. Why would I have a cat?
I have to get out of here
No.
before my face swells up
Really?
and my lungs collapse.
Let's
and,
talk
and
about this. Wait a minute. What? Oh, what the hell?
You told me you had no pets.
That is not mine. That
Thing. I mean, how were you supposed to know that
Right.
I was allergic to little furry things? So I was thinking maybe if you're free tonight.
Yes, I am. I'm free. What? Come on,
Oh,
no,
God.
not again. Billy, excuse you.
Maybe if you held him, that would help.
No, that's okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Why not? Maybe it's a self-esteem thing. If you hold him, he'll sing like a canary or a parrot. Gesundheit.
Thank you.
You're allergic to Mr. Beeks, aren't you? Recognize the anti-dander spray in your office. Bless you. The sound on the call is your sneeze because the call came from Highline's offices and you were there when the call was made. Isn't that right, Janice? Take that as a yes. So the question becomes, why did you feel the need to lie about it? Was it because you placed the call maliciously, knowing it would destroy Johnny's business? Take that as a yes, too. We rest.